Hello. In this video, I am going to show you how to create a very simple chart bot in PEGA application. Okay, so right, nowadays, everywhere we are seeing the chart bot. So, which can eliminates the manual intervention, which can eliminates the manual intervention, right? So even everywhere, if you open any website also, there, if you open any help or if you can open any contact us, there you can see the chart bot application. Okay, so even pega in pega also we can design we can design the chatbot application. Why I am saying designing means you are not creating any code, you are not developing, you are not developing any code to create the chatbot application. As usually, pega has an option to create or to design a chatbot application. Okay, so in this video I will show you how to create or design a simple chatbot, but in next video I will show you some advanced uh, features of the chatbot application as well. Okay, so what is meant by the chat bot? Two words always. Bot means nothing but a mission, so that means mission is chatting with you. Mission is chatting with you. So if you say hi, mission will reply you hello. If you say I need this one, mission will reply you so and so. Okay, so that means bots are always great, right? Bots are not always great. Definitely bots are not always great, because humans are, sorry, bots are made by the humans. Bots are made by the humans. Okay, but not humans are made by the bots. Always human is a great. Why? Because even bot cannot do anything, and even bot cannot do everything. Why? Because bot is just nothing but a simple mission. So whatever the training you have given to the bot, only bot can do that. Bot cannot do beyond that. Bot cannot do beyond that. Okay, so even that's why also bot has also a limited features and limited functionality, and it can do only limited. So whatever you trained to bot, okay, bot can perform only that. Okay, for example, even if you can see, right, google, hello, hey, hello google, amazon alexa, even all these things are nothing but a bots internally, because even these bots are perfectly trained with different data, so that so it has some information about your questions. If you don't have, if it doesn't have any information, it cannot reply anything. It cannot reply, okay, I don't know, sorry, etc. These messages you will be answered, bot will be answered. Similarly, even in our scenario also, but then why we need a bots? Then why do we need a bots? In that case, again, next question will be right. Then why do we need a bots? I agree with you. At least to eliminate this manual intervention. Let us suppose if you call to the customer care executive, okay, I want to know my loan status. Okay, sir, let me check. 1 second, please hold the line. Okay, I will check. Tell me your customer ID, etc. I can definitely reduces manpower, resources, cost, everything. I can reduces here all these things by using the bots, okay, tomorrow one more guy will call to the customer care, I want to take a new loan or I want to apply a new loan. Yes, even this can be achieved by using the bot as well. That's why usually we have to just think about, okay, why, what, I mean, daily users are calling to the customer care service customer care service, and these people are asking such a questions. Okay, they will gather all these data. Okay, daily frequently we are getting these many questions and these types of questions. Then we can do one thing, we can create a bot with all these questions, and we can create a bot. That bot can help out, bot can help out to giving the responses of all these, all such a questions. Then obviously the customer care service is not required, so that we can utilize that customer care service people to the different sector, or in a different way. Why do we need to call to the customer care service for just a simple loan status, etc.? I want to know my balance, etc. I lost my card, okay, or I want to change so and so. Even if the bot can perform all these things, right? So that in that way, we have to train the bot. We have to design the bot as well as we have to train the bot. Okay, so even that's why everywhere nowadays you can see this chart bot applications are very important. Okay, and even these chatbot applications are internally depends upon the internally designed on the artificial intelligence and machine learning algorithms. Internally all these bots are designed on the artificial intelligence and machine learning algorithms, are libraries, are APIs. Even nowadays, everyone is designing the bot, right? You know, right? They won't create, and they cannot create the code for these bots, because Google is providing the algorithm called it as a natural language processing engine, NLP. So you know, right, some companies are using this Google NLP API, so that I mean to say they can depends on the Google NLP and they can create a bots. So many people are like that only, because they are not creating their own bots. Okay, but interface is like that, but internally whatever the questions you are asking, right, that Google NL, they are depending upon the Google NLP services. So that is your vision. Or else if you want, you can create your own bot and you can train your own bot with limited functionality, with limited question and answers. Okay, so just my bot can only help you to check the loan status, to check the loan status, or uh, to get your customer details, or to resolve the your loan, to close your loan, etc. Even if you have a time, and your bot, if you want, your bot can perform all these functionalities, you can design that bot and you can train that bot. That's it. So in this is just a brief overview about chatbot application. Now in PEGA we can design this bot very easily. Why? Because obviously PEGA is a tool. This tool is come up with bot feature as well, bot feature as well. That means you can easily plug in and plug out ready-made component, ready-made tool, sorry, ready-made component is already there, ready-made feature is already there. Then why do we look for how can I design the bot? Bapre, it is very difficult. We have to write a lot of code. Don't worry and don't bother about that. You can just plug in and plug out. PEGA motto is that one, because PEGA has all the features day to day in PEGA latest versions also. So their day to day, it they are introducing a lot of features, they are introducing a lot of features. Okay, depends upon the client's requirements. Okay, and PEGA internally also with NLP, I mean artificial intelligence libraries and artificial intelligence APIs, PEGA is internally come up with. We have a separate course, PEGA data science. Okay, but anyhow, in this video I'm just creating a very simple bot. Okay, so what my bot can do, just it can collect your data. That's it, it can collect your data. That's it. If you want, you can save the data into the database also. It just can collect the data and that data can be saved into the database as well. Let's see now. But now just simple design your bot. How can you design this? Okay, now what I am doing is I'm just creating. So let me design my requirement first. My requirement is just I can ask a few questions. I can ask few questions. I mean, bot will ask you few questions. What is your name, what is your email, and what is your date of birth, etc. Now you can just reply to those questions and bot can save those details into the database. But in this video I'm not going to show you to save the details into the database. Let's see, but first let's design the bot first. Okay, now go to your dev studio, and here there is a channels and interfaces. There is a channels and interfaces. See, in one of the video I explained about the mashup. What is a mashup? This is also a channel and interface. Channel, what is a portal? That is also a channel. Now what is a bot? That is also a channel. What is meant by the channel? Channel is nothing but the way of communication, a way of establishing a communication to the application. You can use a portal, or you can use Alexa, you can use email, you can use mobile, you can use a mashup, you can use a chart, whatever you want. I mean to say, I need that channel. I need that channel. Now here in this video, I'm going to choose my channel is a bot by using this channel. So because right, in TV there are so many channels. What is meant by the channel? There, they can telecast the data in a dedicated path. Okay, dedicated frequency, assuming in that terminology. Here also I am using channel is nothing but a if I want to communicate, if I want to deliver, or if I want to receive, or if I want to produce something, I mean the conversation should be happened through this channel. So now I'm selecting here legacy web chart. Depends upon the versions, you can see web chart, uh, chatbot. Now here I'm selecting, don't, this is a different, again digital messaging is different. I mean now here I'm choosing legacy web chart. This is the legacy web chart channel. Just click on this legacy web chart channel. Okay, this is the bot screen interface. I mean a legacy chatbot design interface. See here, what is the interface name? Channel interface. Capture loan details. Capture loan request details, and description is also that one only. So here you can see, I will explain one by one, but the main thing in this video I want to focus on, I don't want to talk about the conversation flow. I will show you in a different video, but just only I want to talk about the content here. This content is nothing but a, see, add a case type, create a case command, case type and authentication, and all these are the built-in response commands. I mean to say, by default these response commands are already available. Response commands are already available. But first let me design this bot. Let me design this bot. As I discussed you, as I told you, my bot can capture only three details: your name and phone number and email and date of birth, etc. So for that, what I am doing, so there is an option. So see, let me tell you one point also. Wherever you go, case will follow you. Wherever you go, case will follow you, knowingly or unknowingly, in PEGA. Here also there is a case type. Here also there is a case type. Now what I am doing, just click on add case type. Just click on add a case type. I will explain later each and everything. Before that, let me design the bot. Select a case type. Uh, mm, so if you want, you can choose any existing case types, or if you want, uh, you can create a new case type as well. If you want, you can create a new case type as well. So I want to create a new case type. I want to create a new case type, or I can choose the existing case type. So your wish. Now what I am doing is, I'm going to create a new case type. Add a case type. loan request. That's it. Even if you want, you can see the advanced. Okay, work class rule set name is SBI Apple. As usually, click on submit loan request. See, remember this here in chatbot. Main thing is questions, because obviously bot will question you, you can give the response, or if you can ask the question to the bot, bot will give the response. Always the conversation is mainly through the questions, question and answer, question and answer. So here that's why the question will play, I mean to say, major role in the bot design. Question rule will play a bit major role in the bot design. I mean, obviously, what is not, what is meant by the conversation means you can ask a question, I will give the response, or I will ask a question, you can give the response. That's it. Now here, I'm just creating a only one stage. In that stage, I will ask three questions. One is what is your name, and what is your date of birth, and what is your email, etc. Okay, my loan request case got created. Now I am adding the stages. Capture details. What I am doing, capture capture request details. Okay, only one stage. Now here you can see there is an add create a process, there is a legacy web chat also. So this is nothing but a conversation flow. Legacy web chat I will talk about later, but now here in this case, add a process, new process, add a process, new process. By default there is a process. I will create my own process, default process. Okay, now my process name is also capture details, and here, one second, I'm just creating add create process, new process, capture request details. Now here, because I don't want any assignments, because not manual intervention is there, no manual intervention. More, what is my first question, which is nothing but a automation, which is nothing but a automation. So question, select. What is the question name? What is the question? Assuming uh, question one, question one, but the question type is rule or a text. I'm just giving as a text. Uh, what is your name? That's it. Map an answer to a property. I just want to create a, so if you want to capture that answer to a name, just map to this one, first name. That's it. Even if you want display a when rule, etc., because I have very clearly explained in my survey rule. Next question, more automation, again another question. Question 2, question 2. Now the question type is rule or text. If you want, you can select a rule. Here you can create a question rule, there you can embed the sections, or if you want to design the question, whatever you want. But in this, I'm just a plain text. What is your name, right? What is your mobile number? So now I want to map this answer, whatever the answer entered by the user, I want to map to a particular property. So Mm, mobile, or is there any OOTP property phone? Okay, if not phone number, I'm just creating this property because just now I have used the first name as the existing property. SBI Apple 0101. Now here also phone number I am using the text. That's it. Okay. Now routed to the current user display when if you want to enter some history also you can enter a history. Now third question is again automation. Okay. Question. This is also a text. What is your email? Map to. Okay. Send email. Just I want to map to this property. That's it. Just click on save. That's it. This is my. I'm just capturing all these. That's it. Now your case type is ready. Your case type is ready. Come back to your channels and interfaces. Now select a case type is. Where is the loan request? Click on cancel. Just add a case type once again. Now select a case type. Where is the loan request? Cancel. Close. Okay. Legacy web chart. Capture loan request details. Here is my loan request. Training feedback, car loan claim process, education, election survey. Come on. Case type loan request. But in my channels and interfaces, where is my loan request? Capture a conversation flow, add a case type. Because just now I created a new case, right? Okay. What is this? Add a case type. Yeah, now this time loan request. Now what is the command? Create a case command. So I'll tell you what is the purpose of this. Now I'm just creating loan request. I'm giving just loan request. I don't want any authentication. Click on submit. External analysis, entity extractions, leave it. A very simple chatbot. It's not a great chatbot. Okay. Now what is the chatbot name? Capture loan details, loan request details. Okay, just click on save. That's it. What is, remember this? I just created only one case. Now I want to run this chatbot, or I want to see the preview of this chatbot. See this one. This channel interface is only available for the preview console. So there is a different concept to embedded or to display or to include this chatbot in your portals like manager portal, customer portal, or user portal, etc. That is a different concept. Now see this one. This is my chartbot preview. This is my chartbot preview. This chartbot look and feel may vary, depends upon the skins. Depends upon the skins. Time is 8:51, depends upon the New York time zone or whatever your operator time zone. And welcome to the chartbot powered by the PEGA. Welcome to the chartbot powered by the PEGA. So by default, this is the just hello message. I mean welcome message. Now what you have to do, I mean to say, you have to give some instruction to the chatbot, right? Then only chatbot will respond. So here bot is saying hello, hi, something like that. Welcome to the chatbot powered by the Pega. Then you have to answer a question, right? Sorry, then you have to ask something to the bot. Okay, what I am asking, bot cannot do anything. As I told you, it should be made by the humans. So how humans are designed and trained, then only the machine will work, bot will respond. So now here, what is the command I have given? See this one. What is the command I have given? Create a case command. What is the command? This is the command and this is the case type. So what I am doing is a loan request. That's it. Just a loan request. If I am giving this command, immediately what bot will do? Bot internally create a loan request case type. That means one case ID will be created. That means the case will be executed, case will be running, I mean case will be started immediately. See this one. Just when I click on loan request, this is the command. Remember this is the command. That means nothing but a response command. This is my response command. Bot already responded, welcome to the chatbot. Now I am requesting bot by using this command. Bot knows this command. Why? Because already this command type is mentioned here. This command type is mentioned. So that means when you enter this command or when you give this command, already you have designed your bot. When anybody has entered this command, create a case type, call it as a loan request. That's it. Now obviously the case will be executed, the case will be started. See this one. Already start a case, py start case internally will be executed. Loan request is L6001, etc. Immediately first stage, first process. And what is the first one? What is your name? Internally case is executing. Now what I am giving, because bot is already started asking the question, what is your name? My name is Suresh Babu. Now your response is captured. What is your mobile? Okay. Now what is the next question? What is your email? What is your email? This is my email. That's it. Actually, your case type execution over because there is no steps and there is no process, etc. So internally bot will check, okay, what is the next action? What is the next action? Okay, Suresh at the rate of Gmail is not a valid true or false value. What is your email? Why? Because I don't know why it was happened. Let's check. Everything is in the case type. Here, what is your email? I'm giving my response to this property. What? Send email. So I'm just checking the send email property because what is throwing, it is a true or false. Remember this, it is a true or false, but you have given the send email is nothing but a Suresh at the rate of gmail.com. That's why what is, I mean, this property PEGA internally, this property validation, it is a true or false. How can you give the at the rate of email.com, right? That's why it is showing what is your email. That means internally it is a true or false property, right? That's why it is asking yes or no. If you give the no, internally the value is false. If you give the yes, it is internally value is true. I forgot to map to that property. Try to understand. I forgot to map to email property to whatever the property. If you want, you can map that email. But I was mapped to send email property, which was a boolean value, nothing but a true or false. That's why I'm just giving true. Let's see how it responded. Thank you for your input, because bot internally check, okay, what is the next step, what is the next step. Okay, because there is no step in the case type in your first process and your first flow, first stage, first flow, there is no pending things. That's it. That's why immediately bot responded, thank you for your input. If you want, just open the clipboard. Let's see where, in which place all these details were captured. If you want, you can save all these details into the database also. We will do that one. So channels and interfaces, there is a page, call it as a py interaction case. What is the page name? Py interaction case. See, my just suggestion is always open the clipboard and let's see what is happening in which page contains all these details, etc. Based for your curiosity. That's it. This is py interaction case, px flow. This is nothing but a case interaction. And see, py inbound message and py outbound message. Let's see what is the inbound messages. True, because this is the last message. True. Py entity value true. Is there any attachments? Because you did not provide any attachments. Is there any metadata? Py question details. What is your email? This is the last one. Because every time it is updating. Now this is the inbound message. What is the outbound message? That means bot py outbound message. Thank you for your input. This is the outbound message. Thank you for your input. This is the outbound message. In this way also, in this way you can design a bot. I mean, even I'm not a super expert. I never designed a bots in my previous experience, in my past experience. Okay. uh, However, we can design the bots easily. Let's see. Now I just want to add one more functionality. I want to capture these details into the DB. I want to capture these details into the DB. Now here, answer the question, what is your email? I want to just create email property, not it's a boolean property. Email ID, create, usually. Okay, just this is a text. Now, after that, in my loan request case, in my next step, I want to save all these details into the DB. So for that, open the process. or if you want you can save it into the external db also, that is your wish, or if you want you can send an email also, you can send an email, etc. Let's see. Now saving the details into the database, again it will take a time. Just this is a simple example of bot. Okay, in my next video I will show you that saving the details into the bot, etc. uh, okay. Mm, Now let's see the commands. Let's explore this bot first. Bot features. See this one, create a case command, right? Open this case command loan request. If you, for example, if you want, you can reset this. Just reset. Welcome to the chat bot powered by the PEGA. So if you want to change that bot message also, you can change it. What is this first thing? Greeting message. Let's see. This is the response command. Is there any commands? Greeting text. See this one, response is welcome. System responses. This is the system responses. That means bot responses. This is the bot responses. If you want, you can change that message also. Welcome to the chatbot powered by the PEGA. Okay. Welcome to SBI. SBI loans automation process, or SBI loans. Welcome to SBI loans, etc. etc. That's it. Submit. Response type is a text. If you want, you can select the different types of options. These are the system responses. See the behavior tab. See in the behavior tab, there are system responses. Now just reset, save, reset. See, welcome to SBI loans. Now, actually, what response command we have configured? Loan request, right? Let's see. Now, if I have to give an only loan request, or can I give it as any other command as well? Let's see now. Case type loan request. When you give this command, the case type will be created. Text analysis. Okay, approximate match. Okay, just when you mention a loan also, case will be created. Or loan loan help. Okay, or new loan. For example, let's see now. So you no need to give not only loan request now, because I have given some other keywords. I have configured some other keywords. Let's try with those keywords as well. So welcome to SBI loans, right? Now what I am doing is loan help. Let's see loan created or not. If the bot not able to understand, sorry, I did not understand. What commands we have given? Approximately match, right? Text analysis, loan help, reset. Okay, now save. And if you want, you can delete this channel interface, or if you want, you can copy this channel interface. Okay, that is the additional options. Now reset. And in chatbot, see there is an attachments also. You can send an attachments. But why it is not taking loan help? uh, Text analysis. Okay, loan or loan help or new loan. Let's see with approximate match words that will likely trigger this item. See this one. And must match words that are required to trigger this item. Never match words that will exclude this item. So okay, what is this new loan? What happened? Approximate match words that will likely trigger this item. You no need to give it as a loan request, or you just give it as a new loan also, but it is not working. But let's try from your side. And all these are the, I mean, you can configure the text match keywords, text analysis. That's why approximate match, because internally lot of artificial intelligence, I mean AI, I mean to say like we have a right text analyzers, all such rules will be executed. So new loan, I don't know, I will check it, no problem. Okay, like this. Similarly, there is a response command. For example, now I'm just giving help. I could help you to do many different things on my own or a transfer to human. I just need to be trained at the moment. I am brand new. Okay, because respond command already bot knows there is a command which is already configured in this bot. What is help? See, I could help you to do many different things because already there. Text analysis, there is no text analysis here. Okay, for example, if you give goodbye, how bot will respond? Okay, thank you, have a great day. Because goodbye, thank you, have a great day. Is there any? Okay, let's try with the buy. Let's try with the approximate matches, right? Let's try with buy. See, thank you, have a great day. That's what I want to show you in my our loan request also. I mean, everything you can design in bot because there are a lot of, I mean to say, everything you can automate. You can send an email, right? After entering your name and email, etc., a bot will trigger email functionality. That means in your case type, you can send an email. Okay. See the text analysis, approximate match words that will likely trigger this item. And even if you want, you can just click on take care or goodbye or cheers also. Thank you. Have a great day. Then I don't know why it is not working in my case. In my loan request, text analysis, new loan or loan det, new loan, save, reset, new loan, loan det. So let's try to log off and log in once again quickly. Open this channels and interfaces. Where is your capture loan request details channel? Okay, new loan. Sorry, what happened? Okay, I don't know why it is not working. I have to check. So all these are the response command, and even if you want, you can internally authenticate also. And so so that's all about a simple bot. And if you want, you can send an email also. Let quickly show you send an email. Okay, loan request, add a step, more or less automation. Let's see where is this send an email. Just send an email. Similarly, you can create an activity, you can call an activity, or you can call a data transform, you can save the details into the database, etc. Your wish. Okay, send an email. Send it to email address. This is my email address. Subject bot email, message custom. Okay, compose. I don't want to use a correspondence since this is a test only, right? Hello, welcome to SBI bot email. That's it. I don't want to include in any attachments. Just say now just reset. Sorry, very slow my laptop. Okay, now this is just save. Now come back here, open your capture loan request details. Now here this time I want to give the same command, loan request. Now the case will be created. Okay, what happened? Something wrong. Send email subject. Okay, that's it, right? I don't know, something went wrong, but I hope at least you can understand and get at least some knowledge on how to create a bot in from this video. Okay, thank you.